Hi guys! Magkaon tayo ng dumplings and chicken noodles. Dumpling and...
There's no noodles.
You said noodles, eh?
Where?
Oh no, dumpling
Dumplings and
chicken. Dumpling and chicken. Ayan, magkaon tayo guys. Dumpling and chicken. Ali na mo. Kaon na po si Kapiskot. Init guys, init. Oh, ari atong kaunon. Oh. Thank you Lord Jesus.
Is it good?
Yeah, this was really good.
I know you like.
Kami ni guys, akong paborito. Ali mo, kaon na po ko. Lami.
And I have sabaw.
Honey got chicken soup.
Because I'm sick.
Lami siya guys. Naka-addict. Ha. Ali guys, kaon guys. Kaon tayo mga guys. Ating i-blow kasi mainit man ba. Init. Init.
Tube now.
Init.
Tube now.
Init.
Tube now.
Init.
Tube now infinity.
Honey keeps saying tugnaw. I say init.
We usually do that, but it's usually the other way around.
Yeah.
Usually you're saying tube now.
Itong palagi binibili ni Honey sa akin kasi gusto ko to. Bukas may trabaho si Honey, hindi pa rin papasok si Honey bukas. Amin na siya dumplings. Chicken dumplings. Ito pwede rin itong baunan mo. Amin siya mga kapiskot ay.
Honey likes chicken dumplings.
Amin siya. Asin lami.
I bought for her one time and then she always went forever after that. Right, honey?
Dumplings. So good. Thank you for watching guys. I love you all.